Week 13 is work week. If we are in person, it's work week. If we're online, it's work week. All you have to do is finish up the rough draft of your case study. That's it. All you have to do is finish your reflection and your works cited page. And then you are waiting on me to give you some feedback. And then week 14 is when you will turn in your final copy for a grade. So if you want to go above and beyond this week, get these things done and go ahead and start working on finalizing your annotated bibliography and the Checker X section based on the feedback you've already gotten from me. And then make sure your reflection and your works cited page are just right. Let me give you some feedback and then continue working on that so that you aren't just completely flustered trying to get everything done in week 14. But this week, really all I want you to do is focus on this project and make it the best you can. So as the past few weeks, as similar to the past few weeks, I have everything here for you I believe that you need. Here's all the stuff on the reflection and works cited page. Here's the same thesis statement lesson. It's all just a repeat, really. So all I want you to do is work. That's it. Now, please don't think that this is just like a break from English because I don't have you doing anything extra, no form or anything like that. This is your opportunity to get a good grade. This project can make or break many of you from passing this class, which I'm smiling at the moment, but like that's a really big deal, okay? So it's work week. Focus on your work. Get in touch with me when you have questions. And good luck.